issued at 2:51. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 659, effective until Mountain Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Montana: Granite, Missoula, Indre Valley, and Lemhi, Idaho. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Did they really this?
Weather in Missoula. A severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles southwest of St. Regis. Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Delaware, Borgia, and St. Regis. For my brain, I knew. Now for the trees.
Why is nobody relaying this?
96.3. The National Weather Service in Missoula has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Mineral County in west central Montana, western Missoula County in west central Montana.
No worry is to being a dissociative attitude.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alberton, Tarkio, Y, Riverbend, Mini Mile, Lazo, Houston, Quartz, Sear, and Stark. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. 3 p.m. severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties in Montana: Mineral, Missoula, and Indre Valley. The A severe thunderstorm warning. Idaho County in central Idaho, east central Clearwater County in the panhandle of Idaho, southeast in west central Montana, southwestern Missoula County in west central Montana, northern Valley County in west central Montana, until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, or 4:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, or 4:10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Located 22 miles south of Alberton, Oregon, 30 miles southwest of Missoula, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lolo Pass, Lolo Hot Springs, and Powell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest. Valley
drove up the
in Montana, Mineral, and Missoula. Weather Service in Missoula has issued a severe thunderstorm. Mineral County in west central Montana, southwest County in west central Montana until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles southwest of Y, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alberton, Sear, and 30 Mile. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Make landfall with 12-foot storm surges Wednesday morning, looking to pack sustained winds of 125 miles per hour here at last check, and then it'll continue up through South Georgia and the Carolinas. So not a good situation there. The moisture
A severe thunderstorm warning for the Heading from 22 miles southwest of Dillon to 15 miles west of Spencer, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dillon, Lima, Bonita, Dell, Beaverhead Rock State Park, Van Eyck Pass, Clark Canyon, and Snowline. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is a severe thunderstorm warning announcement from the National Weather Service in Great Falls. Cascade, Choteau, and Teton. The National Weather Service in Great Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Teton County in north central Montana, west central Choteau County in north central Montana, northern Cascade. A severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Teton County in north central Montana, west central Choteau County in north central Montana, northern Cascade County. 9 miles north of Fairfield to near Fort Shaw to 6 miles north of Cascade, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Great Falls, Cascade, Fairfield, Dutton, Black Eagle, Fort Shaw, Power, Sluice Boxes State Park, Malmstrom Air Force Base, Eden, Stockton, Tracy, Vaughan, First Peoples Buffalo Jump State Park, Centerville, Sun River, and San Cooley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Vehicles will have to pay a daily fee to drive anywhere in that area. CBS's Vicki Barker reports. Want to drive your gas guzzler anywhere in Greater London? That'll be £12.50, about $15 a day. Nearly 700,000 vehicles are affected, including this man.
People don't want to pay an extra $12.50 a day. How
A severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties in Montana, Beaverhead, and Madison. The National Weather Service in Great Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Madison County in southwestern Montana until 7:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:02 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 miles southeast of Dillon to 15 miles northeast of Moneta to 9 miles northeast of Spencer, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Virginia City, Alder, Moneta, Lauren, Lakeview, and Snowline. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Heavy rainfall may also lead to minor flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Join us then. Stay
Here is a severe thunderstorm warning announcement from the National Weather Service in Great Falls. For the following counties in Montana, Cascade, Choteau, Liberty, Pend Oreille, and Teton. The National Weather Service in Great Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Pend Oreille County in north central Montana. Montana until 8:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:31 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding.
Coming up.
Highwood, Carter, Flowery, Portage, Malmstrom Air Force Base, Eden, Stockton, Tracy, Centerville, Armington, and San Cooley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur.
Heart. We want to keep a tender heart.
Sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties in Montana, Beaverhead, Jefferson, and Madison. The National Weather Service in Great Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Broadwater County in southwestern Montana, eastern Madison County in southwestern Montana, southeastern Beaverhead County in southwestern Montana, southeastern Jefferson County in southwestern Montana, central Gallatin County in south central Montana, until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 8:17 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Harrison to 11 miles east of Ennis to 21 miles west of Divide Lake to 15 miles northeast of Kilgore, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Hail up to pea size. Source, radar indicated.
Get ready to save with
State Park, Reynolds Pass, Logan, Red Rock Pass, Amsterdam, Four Corners, Trident, Churchill, Willow Creek, and Madison Buffalo Jump State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is a severe thunderstorm warning announcement from the National Weather Service in Great Falls. For the following counties, in Montana, Cascade and Lewis and Clark. Weather Service in Great Falls. For the following counties, in Montana, Cascade and Lewis and Clark. The National Weather Service in Great Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Lewis Creek, or 32 miles southwest of Cascade, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 6.
Ew, gotta get rid of this old Backstreet Boys t-shirt.
Tell me what.
Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cascade and Bowman's Corner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.